everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little vlog because I'm going to the footy for the first time in like 2 years. I'm also just really enjoying vlogging at the moment, just vlogging my everyday, vlogging my every week. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying the vlogs lately, then give this video a thumbs up. But I just filmed a Kmart haul. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I'll leave it in the description. But this is the aftermath. Like, why does this always happen to me? I just cleaned my room yesterday. Now it looks like trash. Also, my little sister slept in my room and of course she left her stuff in there. But yeah, it is such a beautiful day outside today. I'm so excited to go to the footy. I actually have to get changed because I don't want to wear this fugly turtleneck to the footy. I'm going to wear like a hoodie and a scarf. It's almost winter. I literally can't believe, like, if my birthday wasn't smack bang in the middle of winter, I would hate winter. But my birthday is so soon. I'm so excited. My birthday is on June 30th. I will be vlogging, of course, because it's going to be extraordinary. There it is, June 30. I'm so excited. I'm turning 20 years old, which is disgusting. But I'm so excited because last year for my birthday, I was in Bali with some of my friends, so I didn't really get to celebrate with my family, and I love my family so much. So I'm really excited this year to actually get to celebrate it with them. It's gonna be an event. But yeah, now I just want to get changed. I think I'm just gonna handle this cleaning situation later because Charlie is coming to pick me up in about half an hour. I know it's not going to take me half an hour to get changed, but procrastination. I'm wearing literally the same outfit that I wear every single time I go out. So this pink and grey scarf from Boohoo, this One Love Manchester hoodie, and this denim jacket from Pepper Mayo. And then I decided to go with jeans. I was tossing up between with jeans and leggings, but I felt like because it's such a nice day today and it's daytime, it'd be a bit embarrassing to wear leggings. So I wore black jeans that kind of look like leggings anyway. And I'm really out of breath, so I'm gonna go now. Hello everybody, I got home from work. That was such a weird intro. I just got home from work a few hours ago. It was a really good shift. They were playing some really good songs on the radio and it felt like I was there for like 2 hours when it was like 5. I haven't vlogged for the past week just because I was filming a vegan video. Yeah, but it was kind of like a vlog style, kind of like weekly long video, so I didn't feel like I had to vlog because I didn't want to double up or anything. But I have got a few just random miscellaneous clips over the past few weeks that I'll just chuck in here.
12 versus for designer shoes.
It's so pretty.
Oh, yes, we did it!
Woo!
Woo, woo, woo. I know.
Shine properly.
The Coastal Business Center baseline team are perfectly placed to be your business mobile partner.
But now I really want to redo my room. Like, I don't know, I just feel like feng shuiing it up, you know, like just mixing it up. I'm just really bored of how my room is right now. I've been in this setup of my room like for like 2 or 3 years and I just feel like switching it up. Also, I really want to do my bullet journal for June today. It's June 3rd or June 4th actually. Yeah, it's June 4th and I haven't even done my June bullet journal, so maybe I'll show you guys how I set that up. That would be fun. I've never done a bullet journal thing before. But yeah, I'm really excited to redo my room. Hopefully I keep it clean. I just can't keep my room clean for more than like 12 hours. Like really. Yummy! This is so exciting. Are you excited, Brody? Hello, ladies and gents. Okay, I haven't made any progress on my room because I'm lazy. And now it's like 10 p.m. Probably not going to get to do it tonight just because I feel like if I do it now, I'm not going to enjoy it. The feng shui is not going to be there. But we just went to Safeway and I got a few things. Not very exciting, but let's do a haul. I got these chips and then I got this taste magazine literally only because it came with a free cake tin. I don't need a cake tin, but it was free if you got this magazine. So I actually love cooking magazines, but I never actually use them. Anyway, moving on. And then I got this French vanilla latte stuff. Pretty cool. You can make like an iced coffee or you can make a hot one. They had a cinnamon one as well and I wanted to get both, but you just can't be that flippant with your money these days. So I decided I'll just get it next time and try it. Anyway, that's my haul of 3 things. Good morning everyone. I just made myself breakfast. Look how freaking good that looks. Okay, so I've finished cleaning my room, kind of. I want to start like changing everything around, but like, oh, this is just so stressful. I'm like scared to move anything just in case I hate it and then I have to move it all back. Like I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking of like moving my bed over and then moving this desk here, moving my TV and the TV frame here, and then like moving my mirror over there and that over here. But like, oh my god, that seems like a lot of work, and what if it looks ugly? Look at what I've done so far. Okay, this is too loud. Look at what I've done so far. That was such a struggle to get that there, but like I'm kind of feeling it. The mirror is obviously too high, like what the hell. But yeah. The only hook that was in the middle was right up the top, so. But I'm really liking it here. Also, that means I can do my mirror here and have good lighting. The lighting's not good at all right now, but in the morning it will be. And this is really cute. This is from Kmart. I love it. Guys, I'm actually finished. I like fully rearranged it. Don't know if I like it or not. I feel like I just have to let it all sink in. Like just get used to it a little bit. But I mean, it's definitely different. This wall's really boring. I'm gonna have to get like a massive plant here and like some picture frames and stuff because this wall is just really boring. But now I have to put all of these drawers back into that thing. Also, this thing is like so awkward, look. Like I had to move it a bit forward so I could actually turn my light on. Plus I've got like Christmas stuff down there. Let's not talk about that. So it's the next day now and I just had work last night and then I went to my auntie's house after work to have dinner there just to catch up with my cousins and stuff, which was really fun. Yeah, so now it's the next day. I have work in 2 hours again. But I just finished filming like a few little snippets for this Maui Now brand that I'm collaborating with. Their product is so cute. I'm pretty sure I showed you it in a vlog recently. Yeah, so I just filmed a few clips for then. I'm gonna have to film the rest of it tonight. Yeah, but I vacuumed my room today. You probably, oh, I've got socks. Okay, this is a bad time to show you. I don't have anything on the floor. I also still have to find a way to mount this because it looks dumb on the floor, but it also looks really dumb when I put it all the way up there. So I'm gonna have to move a hook down here. I don't know what to do for the 2 hours where I don't have work. I don't know if I should edit or if I should bullet journal. I could bullet journal tonight when I get home from work after I finish filming, but if I leave editing till tonight, I probably just won't do it because I never do anything after work productive. Oh, struggles. Maybe I'll edit now and then do my bullet journal tonight and show you guys how I do my bullet journal. I'm really excited to do my bullet journal because it's already the 6th of June and I haven't done it yet. Classic. This is goals right now. I start work in an hour and I'm eating garlic bread, editing a video and watching Hotel Transylvania 2. I haven't seen this one yet, but they just added it on Netflix and I'm really happy about it. Okay, so I've done a few pages. I did this one, which I really like. And then I did this, which is lemons and yellow, which I love lemons and yellow. I haven't finished this one yet, but I need to finish editing a vlog before I start work in like an hour. And yes, I had work because I didn't film this last night because I'm lazy. So I'm filming it the next day. Well, yeah, but I really like this and I'm gonna finish it up tonight when I get home from work. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I have no idea how long this is. I feel like it's like 50 years long. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed me filming my bullet journaling, let me know. Can you be a bit quieter? Let me know in the comments or just like this video and I can film more, or I could even film like a whole video on it and like do a little voiceover and tell you guys how I do it. So yeah, let me know if you're interested in that. And if you liked this vlog, also just don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.
Lock the door when you go.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Bye guys.